When people talk about the heart of world football, two countries always rise to the top: Brazil and Argentina. Not just because of trophies, but because the sport is woven into everyday life. Both nations built a legacy that's hard to match. Brazil lifted the World Cup 5 times, more than anyone else. Argentina owns 3 titles, including that unforgettable run in 2022, and a long list of continental triumphs. And when the debate turns to the greatest player ever, the spotlight almost always lands here. Pelé, Maradona, Messi, Ronaldo, Ronaldinho. Names that shaped the sport and inspired generations. But the real secret starts far from stadiums. In the favelas and barrios, kids grow up playing in tight spaces, learning to dribble, improvise, and solve problems on the fly. That raw creativity becomes their trademark. And then there's the passion. Football isn't a hobby. It's a national heartbeat. Wins lift the country, losses sting for days. That pressure creates players who grow up hungry, fearless, and obsessed with winning. Even with Europe's money and tactics, the biggest clubs still look south for magic. Because when it comes to pure talent, Brazil and Argentina remain the world's most reliable source.